Hey, good afternoon. Got an order from Parts Avatar here with us today. This time around, my second order from Parts Avatar on this beautiful June sunny day. And we got some front brakes for both my Mazda 3 and my Mazda CX-5. Here we're able to finally get the boxes open. You can see right as you open the box, you have the conditions for return along with their full return policy if you have any issues with the parts. Communication is always amazing with Parts Avatar. They even have a live chat. You can speak to an agent directly on their website if you ever have any questions or issues with your order or about the parts that you're ordering. And here you can see we have both the Bosch pads for both vehicles along with the rotors just underneath. Super quick shipping. These dispatched from the Mississauga warehouse and got to us just outside of Ottawa, and I want to say 2 days, if not 3 days. And it was really quick. We were really happy with that. Here you can see the Bosch pads for the Mazda 3, the smaller ones wrapped in a bit of a cloth there just to protect them while they're shipping. Comes with the lube and the hardware, along with the larger size pads for the CX-5. Same parts, just the equivalent size for the Mazda CX-5 and the Mazda 3 respectively. And then of course you can see here the Euro rotors. These are the carbon coated rotors, so to speak, as it says on the box. Again, got the corresponding size for the Mazda 3 and the Mazda CX-5. I actually run these on the rear of my Mazda 3 because you'll notice in my last video I got the the centric rear rotors for the Mazda CX-5. Was finally able to get them out of the box, and you can see they're sealed with the official Euro Rotors bag there, the seal of approval. You know they haven't been tampered with. They're authentic, straight from the manufacturer, which is great. Again, obviously the larger size for the CX-5 and the smaller size for the Mazda 3. You can see there they have the black center caps, which aesthetically look a bit nicer, even though over time they're all going to look the same kind of rusty black color. But when you install them, at least they look nice and good. Here you can see out of the packaging the larger Mazda CX-5 rotor with the black center and the kind of carbon finish there on the rotor itself. Looks really nice. Again, guys, nothing but good things to say. Here you can just kind of see both of the products together. On the right, the Mazda 3, and on the left, the CX-5. I was really happy to find the Euro rotors on the Parts Avatar website. Tried to look around for them actually at a few local shops here just outside of Ottawa, where we live in Ontario, and couldn't find them anywhere actually. So was happy to find them on Parts Avatar. Free shipping with your orders over $100. The Bosch pads, you can find those most places, but you get a bit of a price discount on the Parts Avatar website, which is great. Again, super easy to use. Highly recommend it. If you have any issues, you get the return policy there. They'll answer your questions. You guys have a good time. Stay safe. Bye bye now.